So we got this today. In the evenings, about 8 o'clock or so, there's a window, about 7:30 or so. There's about a 3-minute window where this has been showing up. You got to be quick to get it. You can't even get the app open for the video to be able to get a video of it. Just got a picture. But every night when it's very, very clear out, and before the sun sets, you get about a 3-minute window here in Vermont where you can get this thing. And it almost looks like there's 3 of them. But I had to take a picture of it because I didn't know how to put pictures on YouTube. This is the same thing that H3D TV got. I don't know if you guys are subscribed to him or see his videos. He does great videos. But he got this on video just the other day. And he's in Florida, so he's on the other end. I'm in Vermont. But my phone's gonna die here, guys. I just wanted to get a picture out to you. Peace out, guys.